finally, Electronica 2010 is drawing to a close. It's been a phenomenally busy week and the atmosphere has been incredibly positive and upbeat. Everybody's already talking about the buzz of Electronica this year. We'll get some feedback later in the program from the organization Messe München International. But right now, we'll get some comments from the show floor. At ETV, we are curious as to what visitors thought of Electronica 2010, so we took a straw poll. Here's the result.
Very positive impressions. I think the Electronica is very busy.
So much electronic I've never seen together at one place.
Impressive place. It's like a little exhibition city when you can do everything in one place.
Oh, it's great. So many people here, so many interesting companies. It's really great.
The show has been very good for us.
For our company, we have so much customers we saw already. New employments, we can arrange some new contracts.
The quality of interviews we had today was very good.
I'm very satisfied with the result of this year.
Later in this final broadcast from Munich in 2010, we'll be taking a look at yet another new and growing market sector, organic electronics. And finally, we'll be signing off with selected highlights from the ETV broadcast this week. 4 days of Electronica in less than 4 minutes. But first I'd like to show you something amazing. This Christmas tree sculpture has been created in the space of just these 4 days of the fair. It is made entirely out of scrap electronics donated by exhibitors and visitors. Sponsored by Element 14, the online community of Premier Farnell, the sculpture is designed to generate awareness of just what happens to waste electronic equipment. Organic electronics. Now here's an interesting technology. I'm sure it has nothing to do with healthy eating or homegrown produce. Let's ask the experts what it's all about. I'd like to welcome Dr. Klaus Hecke, Managing Director of the Organic Electronics Association. Dr. Hecke, organic electronics sounds intriguing. Can you explain briefly what that means?
Organic electronics is a new way of electronics, using plastic materials and printing processes and enabling completely new applications that are thin, light and flexible.
I see. So what type of applications are envisaged for organic electronics?
Many new applications become possible. You can make flexible displays, you can make organic photovoltaics, you can make sensors, all kind of electronics you can do with this. And I have an example here of an organic photovoltaic cell, which is in a pocket. You have a flexible solar cell here. You can carry it with you, and you can charge, for example, your mobile for an MP3 player. These are new products that become possible with these flexible electronics.
And so is this happening now, or is this an emerging technology?
We have initial products now, organic light emitting diodes, lighting, displays, these OPV applications. They are in the market now, printed batteries also, but it's an emerging technology. There's a huge market potential, and we are here at the very beginning of this new industry.
I'd now like to welcome Chris Beeson, Vice President of Sales at DigiKey. Hi Chris, since we met 2 years ago, DigiKey has made its mark here in Europe. Do you consider yourselves one of the regular established component distributors right now?
That's an interesting question because just 2 years ago, that was part of the discussion. We were brand new, probably viewed as an outsider, but we certainly continue to gain traction, and we do deem ourselves as one of the regular distributors. The customer base is certainly growing for us, greater acceptance, working closely with the supply base to continue our presence as well. So we're glad to be having nice success in Europe and also having just the general acceptance of our model.
I see. So what are you currently doing to differentiate yourselves in this competitive market?
We have a number of initiatives, and the challenge for us is that with our unique market, our market model is to, we're shipping all out of the United States. So one of the objectives for us is to act and look as local as possible. We continue to work on our websites to make sure that we have local language, serving local currency. We're providing a number of different training initiatives that can be done online. And as we continue to put more features into the model, there's greater acceptance.
And what do you expect to achieve in the next 2 years?
Oh, well, we've had terrific success, so we'd like to at least catch our breath and say, for one, thank you to the European community for our growth. I believe our growth will be in excess of 130% this year, more than doubling. So as we move forward, we do see many opportunities. As I sit with suppliers and we look at the customer base overall in Europe, we have participation, but we still have a long way to go with full adoption of utilization of DigiKey. So we'll continue to grow with the current installed base, the current customers, and of course work hard to earn the respect and support of new customers as we move forward.
Thank you very much and hope to see you again in 2 years.
I look forward to that opportunity as well. Take care.
Mr. Barkman, Electronica 2010 is reaching an end, so were you satisfied and what is your overall conclusion?
Yeah, we are very satisfied. We have drawn some very positive conclusions from Electronica 2010. The trade fair turned out to be very successful, which was also the feedback that we received from our exhibitors. Almost 2,600 exhibitors from all over the world presented their innovations here at Electronica 2010. The key topics at the trade fair were automobile electronics, electromobility and energy efficiency. The forums and congresses held currently, which the trade fair also proved extremely popular among visitors and very well attended. A total of more than 70,000 visitors from 116 countries came to Electronica 2010 in order to obtain information on the latest trends and innovations in the electronics industry. That makes us happy for the next future, and so we can stick on to develop the Electronica within the next 2 years.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.